What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about updating Google Chrome's ADMX template. So let's get right into it. All right. So you saw the title of the video. It's all about updating Google Chrome's ADMX templates, right? The only reason that I'm doing this is because I was trying to enable, and I got my notes right here. I was trying to enable the high efficiency mode within Google so I could push it out GPO to all the machines in my network. When I searched for it, it wasn't there. So I'm going to show you what happened. All right. So on the desktop, and yeah, I know, don't yell at me. I was doing everything within my domain controller, not best practice. But for this environment, I did everything within the domain controller. Not best practice. I like to do everything within the workstation. But for here, again, like I said, don't yell at me. Now, I opened up my group policy management. I located my Google Chrome policy. I right-clicked on it. I went to edit. Now, keep in mind, all I was trying to do is get into my current Google Chrome policy and just enable this high efficiency mode, right? So within here, I went into computer configuration. Within computer configuration, I went into policies. Within policies, I went into administrative templates. And within administrative templates, I went into Google. Now, within Google, I clicked inside Google Chrome and I basically sorted all the settings and I was trying to locate enabled high efficiency mode. Again, I have to look at my notes. It wasn't there. I sorted everything out. I was looking, I was like, no, the option is not there. So I was wondering why I did not have that option. I did a little Googling and it looks like that high efficiency mode was pushed out maybe a year or 2 years ago. So I said to myself, how old is my template? So to check on that on the domain controller desktop, I right-clicked on the start menu. I went to run. Within run, I did a whack DC01. Yes. I hit OK. It took me here. I went into the system volume folder. I double-clicked on my domain controller shortcut, which should take me here. I went into the policies. Within policies, I located the policy definitions folder. I double-clicked on the policy definitions folder. It took me here. And I kind of sorted everything out and I located my Google and my Chrome. And then there goes. Date modified was 2020, 4 years ago. So I'm running old Google Chrome templates. Just for laughs, I went into the English US folder and then, yes, 4-year-old Google Chrome templates. I know, it's crazy. So on the desktop, what I did is I created a Google ADMX backup folder. Inside this folder that I just created on the desktop, I dropped the language and the templates that I already have within the policy definition folder, and I dropped them in here. I made a copy of it, right? Because what's going to happen is when you upgrade your current Google Chrome templates, you're going to override these, and you don't want to lose them just in case something happens. So I opened up Microsoft Edge. Again, I did this on a domain controller. Don't yell at me. I'm so sorry. I know. I went to this particular website. Awesome. Once this website loads up, we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see this. There's a big fat button that says download ADM/ADMX templates. So click on it. Nice. So you got two options to download. You have your policy templates and you have your update management templates. For this video, we're just going to focus on the policy template section. So click on accept and download. Awesome. Microsoft Edge. So on the upper right-hand side, it's going to start downloading the zip file for you. Eventually, it's going to finish. Awesome. We're going to click on that little folder right there, and it's going to basically take me to my downloads folder. So let's click on that. Boom. Awesome. We're going to select that zip file. We're going to right-click on it, and we're going to select extract all. You're going to get this nice little window. We're going to click on extract. Give it some time. Once everything is done, it is going to open up your new folder that you extracted from the zip file. Now, we need to get into Windows. Within Windows, we're going to go into the ADMX folder. Within here, scroll all the way down, and there goes our Chrome and Google ADMX template files. Awesome. So we're going to right click both of them. We're going to select copy. We're going to head over to the policy definitions folder, the root folder, and we're going to paste it. As soon as you hit paste, it's going to give you this replace or skip files dialog box. We want to replace the files in the destination, so click on that, and then boom, latest and greatest. Awesome. Head back into the extracted folder, go into your English folder or whatever language you speak. I went inside and I selected both the Google and Chrome Active Directory, language files. I right click on both of them and I selected copy. Once you select copy, head over into your English folder within the policy definitions folder and then paste it. You're going to get the warning or a dialog box to replace the files in destination. Yes. And then bingo. Your language and your templates are updated. Awesome. So open up your group policy management console, which is this right here. Select your GPO. For me, I selected my GPO. And what I did to make sure nothing got broken is I click on settings. Now, if this part loads up and you do not receive any errors, because I have seen this before when you click on settings and it's trying to propagate all the settings for you to view it, it would error out. For me, it did not error out, which is great. I was able to click on show all and just review everything. Now, I forgot to tell you before you do all this, make sure you do a backup of your GPO or GPOs. Back up all your GPOs before you do anything. Also, make a backup of the policy definitions folder. Back up that folder just in case. You never know. All right, back to this. We're going to select our GPO. I'm going to select, my GPO. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to click on edit. It's going to load up. And again, the whole point of this was for me to enable that high efficiency mode thing. So let's get into computer configuration. Let's go inside policies. Let's open up administrative templates. Let's open up Google. Let's open up Google Chrome. We're going to sort all the settings and then bingo, enable high efficiency mode was there. There it goes. That's what we wanted. We're going to double click on it. And we're going to enable it. We're going to click apply. We're going to click OK. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.